Innovative design. These two words have driven individuals, companies, and entire industries to develop the most amazing products ever seen. Here at the University of Massachusetts Dartmouth, students have the never-before-seen ability to learn on the industry's leading CAD software, SolidWorks. SolidWorks introduces the ability to create solutions that simplify the process of designing and building products to accelerate your innovation. Throughout your engineering career, you will gain the fundamentals required to succeed beyond the four walls of the classroom. Learning SolidWorks allows you to take your engineering knowledge and apply it to real-life applications. Through the use of assemblies, animations, and simulations, you will see everything you have been taught come to life before your eyes. To help facilitate your learning of this industry-required tool, the UMass Dartmouth SolidWorks Club is here to help. We have just started back in 2019 and have already amassed over 60 students, ranging from first years to grad students, all eager to learn SolidWorks. You can join the SolidWorks Club with no knowledge at all, and we will build up your skills to the point of being able and confident enough to take and pass the SolidWorks Associate Certification exam. Having this certification allows you to stand out to employers when applying for jobs. Some companies even require SolidWorks on their application. Already know the basics? We have a second, advanced session dedicated to you. Our advanced sessions include more difficult topics such as weldments, assemblies, simulation, animation, and more. The SolidWorks Club is run by a team of engineering students, who, like you, want to gain a deeper understanding of this powerful tool. So it is our pleasure to teach and guide you, completely free of charge. All programs and materials are given to you to help you practice and succeed, not only in the club, but in your academics as well. And, membership is not required. Each week we post the discussion topic, so if you already know the basics, just jump into a new and exciting one. We look forward to seeing our new members every year, so until next year, keep up the drive to learn and better the future through your innovative designs.